Hi everyone, and this is it. This is my day 100 of doing a vlog every single day. And today, dahil pang 100 na ito, I did not go and record my day because I think sa nakalipas na 100 araw na magkakasama tayo, you have a pretty good idea of what I do every single day. And if you've watched me for all those boring, repetitive, redundant, and never-changing days, mornings, lunch times, noon times, night times, my drive home, my drive to office, kung tinaga mo lahat ng iyon, and at some point, you tolerated me. Baka wala ka lang talaga ibang magawang panoorin. Let me go ahead and say thank you very much. You know, when I ventured into the journey of vlogging 100 days of my life, dami kong agenda. Number one agenda ko is to develop a habit that I can do consistently for 100 days. Recording this vlog today, I know that I was and I am successful developing that habit. A sense of responsibility because yung mag-promise ka sa sarili mo na magba-vlog ka araw-araw ng 100 araw at ikaw lang mag-isa nag-i-edit is in itself a Herculean task para sa akin na ang dami talagang ginagawa din naman. Meron pa akong agenda na kaya lang ako nagba-vlog kasi gusto kong kumita at magkaroon ng pambili ng bagong camera. Turned out, because I have a very ordinary kind of daily routine at wala naman akong pinapakitang bago sa inyo, vlogging the way I vlogged in the past 100 days has not been lucrative. Ibig sabihin, hindi life-changing yung kita. Kung ikukumpara ko yung pagod ko dito sa pagba-vlog, sa kikitain ko pag rumakit ako, it's worlds apart. But then again, byproduct lang naman yung pwede kong mapala financially. May isa pa akong agenda noon na na-realize ko na lang while doing the vlog ay yung sabi ko sa inyo noon, I don't know kung anong araw yun, that if one day I am no longer part of this world and at some point doing what I do on air every single night, I have touched your lives, I have influenced you in a way that you thought imposible na magawa sa inyo ng isang estrangherong kagaya ko sa buhay ninyo, o di naman kaya gusto nyo lang chumismis, at least you have 100 days of me and my life to go back to kung sakaling wala na ako sa mundong ito. Pero syempre ayoko pa, no? Mahaba pa ang buhay. I'm just saying that one day, at the very least, I have 100 days of daily routine that you can go back to in case there's a need for it. Meron pa akong isang naging agenda na I just wanted to tell you exactly what I do every day. I guess of all the reasons, yun ang pinakasimple sa lahat. Nag-assume na lang ako na baka meron sa inyong interesado kung ano ba talaga ginagawa ko araw-araw. Isa yun, sa pa pwedeng maging motivation, ika nga. And a lot more na maybe some are already insignificant to even mention here. And within that 100 days of vlogging, maliban sa agenda or dahilan kung bakit ako nag-vlog, may na-realize ako. As a personality on radio at maliit na personality online because of my program on air, I realized several things. Like, hindi ko pala kailangan gumawa ng drama sa vlogs ko para makapag-vlog ako. Hindi ko pala kailangan gumawa ng clickbait contents para manood kayo sa akin. Hindi ko pala kailangang mam-prank ng kahit sino para maging problema ko yung itatitle ko. Not that I'm saying that pranks or intrigues or issues are not worthy of vlogging, and I respect kung yan ang content ng iba. It's just that hindi ko pala kailangan gawin unnecessarily. That's one of the realizations. Number 2, hindi ko pala kailangan ipakita sa inyo ang buong buhay ko kahit na araw-araw ko yung pinapasok sa ginagawa ko araw-araw, or maybe the more appropriate word to use is ipinasilip ko sa inyo yung araw-araw. Hindi ko pala kailangang sabihin sa inyo ang lahat ng bagay. Hindi ko pala kailangang i-discuss sa inyo yung mga bagay na negatibo sa buhay ko. Maybe at some point, I realized that if I do that, I might as well be doing a negative vlogging, which I have refused to do so. Ayoko siyang gawin sa channel ko. May mga na-realize pa ako na halimbawa, hindi ko pala kailangang mag-give in sa inyo kung may mga bagay kayong gusto malaman sa buhay ko and when you demand or you request or you ask me to make it a part of my vlog, kaya ko palang kontrolin yung magiging reaction ko sa mga bagay na gusto ko lang at willing lang ko ipakita sa inyo. Because all of those things happened sa loob ng 100 araw. May mga ilan sa inyo na nag-comment ng negative, pero mas marami yung positive. Sa mga nag-comment ng negative, kaya ko palang kontrolin na hindi mag-react kasi hindi ko para ibigay sa taong nagko-comment ng negative yung pribilehyo na kunin yung mood ko sa araw na yan. I know that in the past 100 days, you have a pretty good idea, although not completely, you have a pretty good idea of what kind of a person that I am on radio and off radio, on mic and off mic. You have a pretty good idea of how normal, how ordinary, how lacking, how incomplete, or how complete, however you want to look at it, my days were. Alam ko na marami sa inyo ang nag-request ng kung ano-anong pwedeng ilagay sa contents ko. Alam ko marami sa inyo ang nag-request ng more than 100 days na abangan ko pa yung vlogging ko. And yes, maybe I'm going to vlog some more, but not in the context of doing an everyday vlog. Yung 1 to 100, yun na lang yun. But of course, I'll still be vlogging. Most of all, sa lahat ng na-realize ko, I have realized that there will always be people who's going to watch you regularly because they enjoy the contents that you make, or maybe they like you as a person, or maybe they're just happy you're achieving something, however small the victories are, or however small the victory is. At meron naman mga taong without any merit at all will find something negative sa vlog ko. I cannot compose my thoughts well enough to describe to you what I had realized in the past 100 days, but let me go ahead and end this 100 day of me vlogging by saying thank you very much if you have stayed on all those days na lumipas. Maraming salamat if you have applauded me for finishing this goal. Maraming salamat if you cheered me on. And I also want to appreciate if you've had constructive comments on me. I will try to go over your comments. I will try to learn from what you have suggested sa akin. But most of all, maraming salamat because sino ba ako para panoorin nyo araw-araw? Diba? Wala naman akong tinulong sa inyo. And yun. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what else to say. Sana talaga mapakatawanan kong gawing active lahat ng social media ko. Sana talaga magawa kong pakatawanan gumawa ng contents palagi sa inyo. At hindi masayang yung pag-support nyo sa akin sa channel ko sa nakalipas na 100 araw. I apologize if my thoughts are not complete. Alam nyo, it's past over midnight right now. And I have been contemplating on what to do sa 100-day vlog natin. Siguro bottom line lang, pasalamat ako sa inyo. Salamat! Pinanood yung vlogs ko na walang sound effects, walang background music, cut to cut lang, walang kahit anong visual elements or audio elements. Maraming salamat. Thank you for tolerating me. Thank you for the patience. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Mamimiss ko tong pag-vlog araw-araw, but I will still vlog, but not as frequent as every day. Yun lang siguro. I appreciate you all. You guys are so awesome. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching my daily vlogs for the past 100 days. 100 days! Congratulations to all of us. Bye-bye everyone.